Great appetizer ideas. On toast, put slices of melted cheese, add cream cheese. Crack an egg, season to taste, add fried bacon, cover with a slice of melted cheese. Bake for 5 minutes. Cut a circle from the toast. Place in a muffin tray. Brush with olive oil and parsley. Bake for 5 minutes. Add bolognese sauce. Add mozzarella balls. Sliced pepperoni salami. Beat 3 eggs. Cut the crust off the bread. Put in a blender, add dried rosemary, paprika, and garlic powder. Grind. Press the bread slices, add melted cheese, grease with water. Put sausages, roll into a roll. Dip in beaten eggs. Roll through the bread crust. Fry on all sides. Cut out the middle of the bread slice. Press with a rolling pin. Grind the boiled eggs. Add mayonnaise and spices. Mix well. Put the mixture on the bread, roll into rolls, wrap in bacon. Fry on all sides. Beat 4 eggs. With salt and milk. Cut the crust off the bread. Put a few rows of cheese and ham. Press the edges. Dip in beaten egg. Fry on both sides. Mix in pre-cooked pasta with grated cheese. Put the mixture on the toasted bread. Toast on both sides. Mix in sugar with cinnamon. Cut the core out of the bread slices. Roll up the bread crust. Secure with a toothpick. Dip in melted butter and in sugar with cinnamon. Toast in the toaster.